Now, lenders have been encouraged to curate specialized financial packages that will make electric motorcycles more accessible to operators. Vifa Consult CEO Gov't says enabling more favorable payment terms options allows riders to start earning immediately while enjoying lower operational costs, zero fuel expenses and reduced maintenance needs, making the shift to electric both practical and profitable.
The National Transport and Safety Authority reports that approximately 2.5 million bodabodas are registered in Kenya, with 1.8 million currently active. A report by Car in General shows 9 out of 10 bodabodas are used for commercial purposes, representing over 1 million jobs created, contributing at least 3.4% of the country's gross domestic product. However, prohibitive interest rates, high insurance premiums and limited financial literacy hinder the bodaboda operators' ability to access affordable credit. To bridge this gap, players in the industry say policymakers should collaborate with financial institutions to create subsidized loan programs that will cushion both the lender and the operator from default risks.
There is need for concerted effort both from private sector as well as from government in terms of providing incentives that would allow for bodas to transition in a manner that makes economic sense.
Additionally, the government has been urged to fast-track the installation of critical e-mobility infrastructure such as battery swap stations, allowing users to quickly extend their range without lengthy wait times.
So one of the key areas is infrastructure for swap stations. And one of the challenges that we are facing in terms of expansion is we do not have an universal swap station. So different players have different swap stations. So it is making it impossible for this to expand further. So for these players to come together and have universal swap batteries, then that makes it easier for us to expand in different areas.
The remarks emerged during the unveiling of the new Boda Boom report, highlighting the need to power the sector's potential through sustainability. Nduta Mokami for Lunchtime News.